The Congress party is stepping up its attack in the state to take on the BJP in the upcoming 2022 state elections. Senior leaders P. Chidambaram and Dinesh Gundu Rao have been going around the state trying to strengthen the party. They visited Kempe constituency along with other Congress leaders. The party has been struggling to maintain its image in the state after 10 MLAs joined the BJP during the last elections. Here's more. Chidambaram is going around the state trying to bolster the party's image and gain the confidence of the people once again. He said that right now the party is prioritizing setting up of new committees and leaders to prepare for the elections. He said that this time the people will decide the candidate and asked people to provide suggestions regarding the same. He claimed that Goa is suffering from unemployment. Listen.
All election-related decisions will be made by you. What does that mean? You may be asked to suggest the names of candidates. I know many of you don't believe me. Many of you think I'm saying this for the sake of saying it. But believe me, the names have to come from you. You will recommend names, suggest names based on loyalty. Number one is loyalty. Loyalty, number one. Number two, integrity. Number three, winnability. Acceptability to the workers. Number four, winnability among the electors. Keeping this in mind, you will suggest names. It may be Hindu, it may be Catholic, it may be anything. They are not successful. You will suggest the names. And let me assure you, it is from the names that you suggest that will be effective. If the bloc does not suggest the name, there is no question of imposing that name. Likewise, all election-related decisions will be taken by you. The manifesto committee will hold a meeting in Quebec and ask you what ideas to go into the manifesto. The campaign committee will hold a meeting in Quebec or in some special place and ask you what kind of campaign will we do. The publicity committee will hold a meeting somewhere here and ask you what kind of publicity should be done. So every decision will be taken by you. So don't pass the buck aside. The buck stops with you. You please, among yourself, discuss debate, think about it, and make proper suggestions how we should have a manifesto, how we should have a publicity, how we should have a campaign, and who should be active. The first task is reconstituting all the committees of the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. We have reconstituted the president, working president. By next couple of days, we will announce the members of the Coordination Committee, Campaign Committee, Publicity Committee, Manifesto Committee, and Finance Committee. We are in the process of reconstituting the block committees. So far, we announced 28. 5 more will be announced today. So that makes the total number 33. 7 more will be announced in the next few days. Some block presidents have been reappointed, like your block president. Some are new candidates. It's a mixture of old and new. Those who have worked well, those who have a good track record have been reappointed. In some places, new people have been appointed to replace the old. So this exercise will be completed, fully completed by the end of this month. So I set for myself the task, so the first task is we should all work together and complete the reconstitution of the committee, and I'm happy that we are keeping to the deadline, September 25 or 26, this job will be done. The next is to understand the major problems of Goa. I'm not going to speak at length, but I will tell you what the major problems are. Number one problem is jobs. If you ask me what's the number two problem, it's jobs. Number 3 problem, jobs. Number 4 problem, jobs. It is jobs, 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 jobs. Once jobs are created in Goa, all other problems can be solved.
Dinesh Gundu Rao also spoke during the event, claiming that the Congress is the only party that can stand up to the BJP and defeat it. He also charged the government has failed to provide jobs while prices of commodities have been going sky high. He also accused the BJP of destroying democracy in the country. Listen.
हालात खराब हो रहा है, इकोनॉमी बर्बाद हो रहा है, नौकरियां नहीं मिल रहे, बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा है, महंगाई बढ़ रही है, पैसे में जेब के अंदर पैसे कम हो रहा है, खर्चा ज्यादा हो रहा है, सब अपने बोला था, एलपीजी, डीजल, पेट्रोल, डेली कमोडिटीज, सब कुछ। अगर आप सैंड खरीदने चाहते हैं, इतना दोबारा सब आइटम्स अभी ज्यादा हो चुका है। मतलब कॉमन मैन के लिए जीना कितना मुश्किल हो चुका है। इस देश में एक ही एक चीज बढ़ रहा है और दो चीज बढ़ रहे हैं। एक मोदी का दाढ़ी बढ़ रहा है, दूसरा अंबानी और अदानी का इनकम बढ़ रहा है, बस। और किसी का भी पता नहीं है। ये हालात है। इसके लिए हम बीजेपी को चुनाए थे क्या? Did you vote for BJP for this reason? 7 साल हो गया। So we have to vote their people. They have destroyed democracy. गवर्नमेंट को तोड़ते हैं, एमएलए को खरीदते हैं, उनको ब्लैकमेल करते हैं, जेल के अंदर डालते हैं, आईटी, सीबीआई, ईडी सब कुछ करते हैं। चिदम्बरम साहब के ऊपर केस डाले थे। चिदम्बरम साहब ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना जेल के अंदर के लिए उनको भेज दिए। फॉर्मर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, फॉर्मर डिफेंस मिनिस्टर। देखिए बीजेपी कहां तक जा सकता है। कोई वो केस की कुछ भी नहीं हो सकती। ऐसे ही सबको डरा के। दिस इज नॉट इंडिया।
Digambar Kamath charged that the BJP has assured the people of affordable fuel and LPG prices and that prices of these commodities are at an all-time high. He claimed that the BJP will only assure people of jobs before elections and then abandon them. He also said that Goans were once financially stable and had self-respect, but now are being disrespected by assurances of free water, electricity and rations. He said that Goans deserve better.
पेट्रोल 60 रुपयावर आपली वाढवला तुम्हाला किती वाढला बघा पेट्रोलचे सरकार 60 रुपयाचा कंट्रोल होत आहे आता पेट्रोल घेतलं आहे सुधारी पेट्रोल आपल्याला किती पडणार आहे करा नंबर 40 रुपये खाली होते 40 रुपये उधार दिला 7 रुपये तिसरे सांगितले गॅस सिलेंडर 7.5 रुपये होता तुम्हाला गॅस सिलेंडर घेतो आता वोट मागता येते वोट मागता 15 घेऊन येते आता बाबा नको प्रत्येक तुमच्या आल्या वोटिंग करतो मागता आणि त्यांना सांगा पहिली सांगा आपले एलावून सांगितलं बेकार असेल का भक्तोली 4,000 रुपया महिना आता 5 वर्ष लावला काही 5 वर्ष इंटू 12 7 महिने झाले 7 इंटू 4 2,40,000 रुपये झाले प्रत्येक गुन्ह्यात 2,40,000 कायदा तुमचा वोट मागता सांगा आम्ही 60 रुपयाचे पेट्रोल 40 रुपयाचा डिफरन्स ते पैसे आपल्याला सांगा भक्ताचा अलावन्स वाढवून सांगा गॅस सिलेंडरचे तिथे पैसे डिफरन्स 5 रुपया ते आपल्याला सांगा आणि मागील मताच्या उड्या या लेखकांचे विश्वास करू नका आणि सगळ्या पैकी सांगितल्यामध्ये आपल्या की नव्हतं आपल्या भूमिका की नव्हतं फक्त किती इलेक्शन झालं बरोबर आपण इलेक्शन झाले दुसरे दिवशी तिसरे दिवशी योग कार्य सांगताय तो बीजेपीची सवय या हाका बळी पडणारा आमचे सरकार असताना वयात समृद्धी असेल
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Kepe.